Hello everyone. The much awaited amendments in the education system of India is finally taking place with the new education policy. The new National Education Policy of India could drastically change the teaching and learning process by introducing various measures under school education, specifically in the area of ECCE, Early Childhood Care and Education. Let's quickly unfold those changes here. As per the changes in infrastructure, every Anganwadi must have a well-ventilated, well-designed, child-friendly and well-constructed building with an enriched learning environment. And funds for this program will be provided by the central as well as state governments. It will have different means for educators and parents. For school promoters or educators, it will strengthen and upgrade preschools with high-quality infrastructure, play equipment and well-trained teachers. For parents, now they will have professionally designed ECCE centers that will be child-friendly and have child-appropriate infrastructure. Those Anganwadi workers or teachers with qualifications of 10+2 and above shall be given a 6-month certification program, and those with lower educational qualifications shall be given a 1-year diploma program covering early literacy, numeracy and other relevant aspects of ECCE. Special attention will be given to employing local teachers and female teachers, especially in disadvantaged areas and areas with large pupil-to-teacher ratios or high rates of illiteracy. Even state governments shall prepare cadres of professionally qualified educators for early childhood education through state-specific professional training, mentoring mechanisms and career mapping. As far as the changes in academic structure are concerned, the overall aim of early childhood care and education will be to attain optimal outcomes in the domains of physical and motor development, cognitive development, socio-emotional ethical development, cultural or artistic development, and the development of communication and early language literacy and numeracy. ECCE shall be delivered through a significantly expanded and strengthened system of ECCE institutions consisting of standalone Anganwadis and Anganwadis co-located with primary schools, pre-primary schools, sections covering at least age of 5 to 6 years co-located with existing primary schools and standalone preschools, all of which would employ workers or teachers specially trained in the curriculum and pedagogy of ECCE. The responsibility for ECCE curriculum and pedagogy will lie with the MHRD to ensure continuity of curriculum and pedagogy from pre-primary school to primary school and to ensure due attention to the foundational aspects of education. The implementation of early childhood education will be carried out jointly by the Ministries of HRD, Women and Child Development, Health and Family Welfare and Tribal Affairs. Trained and qualified social workers from civil society organizations or departments of social justice and empowerment could be connected to the schools through various innovative mechanisms to be adopted by state or union territory governments. Thank you so much for the patient hearing. If you really like the video, do not forget to like my FB page by the name DHVIJKALP. And if you would like to be notified about further uploads, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. The name of the channel is Teachers Training Life Coaching by Kalpana Chauhan.